Welcome to this tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we'll be diving into how to navigate and use an existing dental treatment plan in the GoodX WebApp. The dental treatment workflow plan links a treatment plan to a patient or debtor, ensuring accurate recording of planned procedures. It includes estimated costs and practitioner notes to guide the treatment process, which can be used for medical aid pre-approvals for conditions that require ongoing care. The structured approach streamlines patient care and supports efficient workflow management. Let's begin on the diary screen. Click on the desired booking to open the diary sidebar. Next, click on the dental drop-down button, then select Clinical. You'll now land on the Clinical screen, where we can access the treatment plan. From the Forms Library drop-down, select Treatment Plan. Your existing treatment plan will now open on the left. Use the Treatment Plan drop-down to choose one that's already been set up. For this tutorial video, we'll use the example we created in our previous tutorial video. To learn how to set up your own dental treatment plan, please refer to the How to Set Up the Dental Treatment Plan Workflow Event user manual linked in this video's description. With the plan open, click on the drop-down menu to select a form type. You can either choose Admin or Clinical. If you select Clinical, the practitioner's details will appear and email access will be granted. If you select Admin, the practitioner's details will be removed and you will not be able to send any emails. These form types help with access control and ensure that documents meant solely for admin purposes aren't set out, and vice versa. You can rename the plan here by clicking the treatment plan name field and typing your desired name change. Next, click Add Estimate to link an existing estimate to this plan when sending it to the medical aid or the patient. The Pending Estimates screen will open showing any estimates previously created. Select the estimate you would like to include by ticking its checkbox. Please note the estimates have to be set up beforehand. For a step-by-step guide on how to create estimates, please refer to the How to Create Dental Estimates user manual linked in this video's description. You'll now see the estimate details, including your system-generated unique estimate number. If you'd like, click View to open, print, or download the estimate. When you're done, click OK to close the estimate preview. Simply click Delete to delete the treatment plan. You can also tick this option to attach the estimate to your printed treatment plan as a single file. In the treatment plan note field, you will see the patient name placeholder we inserted in our previous dental treatment plan workflow setup video now shows the patient's full name. There are many placeholders to choose from. Please refer to the How to Set Up a Dental Treatment Plan user manual linked in this video's description for more information. Amongst others, it's important to note the Accept button. This button is used once the treatment plan and estimate have been approved by the medical aid or whoever is responsible for the payment. To reject the treatment plan, click the Accept drop-down button. You can either reject the treatment plan alone or you can reject both the treatment plan and estimate together. To accept the plan, click Accept. A pop-up will appear to inform you that this action is irreversible. Click OK. Next, a method of acceptance window will appear where you can select what acceptance method the treatment plan was accepted with. For this example, we'll choose electronic acceptance. A signature pad will open for the accepting party to sign. Once done, click Save and the estimate will be converted into an invoice on the patient's account.